Could Shiba Inu be gearing up for a 500% breakout? And is Ethereum about to smash through to $6,000? Two massive stories are lighting up the crypto world, and I've got the scoop that could make you rethink your portfolio. Let's dive straight into this electrifying article from CoinChapter about Shiba Inu's whale activity. Welcome to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your go-to spot for the juiciest crypto updates. I'm Gold Rush, and whether you're a newbie just learning the ropes or a seasoned trader sniffing out the next big move, you're part of our crypto family. Today, we're unpacking two red-hot stories about Shiba Inu and Ethereum that'll leave you bullish and ready to howl at the moon. So, hit that like button, grab your energy drink, and let's roll. Quick heads up, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Let's start with this absolute banger from CoinChapter. As you can see on screen, Sentiment data shows wallets holding over 1 billion SHIB tokens have been loading up over the past few days. Meanwhile, mid-tier holders, those with 100 million to 1 billion SHIB, are cashing out or reallocating. According to the article, this shift suggests whales are doubling down on SHIB, betting big on its future. Holy Dogecoin, folks, this is wild. Whales are gobbling up SHIB like it's the last bone in the yard, while smaller players are taking profits. That's classic market psychology. Big dogs know something's brewing. I'm pumped because whale accumulation often signals a breakout is coming, and Shib's got my spidey senses tingling. The article also drops this bombshell. Shib's burn rate just spiked 2,400%, with 39 million tokens torched in 24 hours. That's like setting a bonfire under Shib's circulating supply. Sure, it's a drop in the bucket compared to Shib's massive token count, but burns like this add up, making every remaining SHIB a tiny bit rarer. And check this out, Shib's holding strong at a support level of 0.00001175. It's testing a key resistance at 0.00000132. If it breaks through, we're looking at a potential jump to 0.000145. That's a quick 20% pop. Let's break it down for the newbies. Whale buying means confidence from the big players, and the burn rate spike could tighten supply over time, pushing prices up. Plus, the article mentions rising open interest in SHIB futures, which means more traders are jumping in with leveraged bets. But here's the cool part. Liquidation activity is low, so we're not seeing crazy volatility yet. The RSI is sitting at a neutral 50, so Shib's chilling in a consolidation zone, waiting for a spark. If those whales keep stacking and the burn rate stays hot, we could see SHIB blast through resistance and go parabolic. I mean, with all this burning, Shib's basically the crypto equivalent of a campfire marshmallow, getting crispier and more valuable by the minute. Who's ready to roast some gains? Drop a Shib to the moon in the comments if you're feeling the heat. If you're hyped about Shib's potential, smash that like button and tell me in the comments, are you holding SHIB or waiting for the breakout? And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay in the loop. Now, let's talk about Ethereum, because this next story from Cointelegraph is pure fire. As you can see, analysts are comparing ETH's price action to a gold fractal from 2019 to 2024, predicting a rally to $6,000. Yes, you heard that right, $6,000. According to the article, Ethereum's mirroring gold's multi-year setup. Two local tops, two deep pullbacks, and a rounded base before a breakout. Gold smashed through $2,100 in 2024, soaring 60% to new highs above $3,400. ETH is currently bouncing from its 0.4 low near $1,600 and approaching a resistance zone at $3,000 to $3,500. Crypto Eagles, a technical analyst, says if this fractal holds, ETH could hit $5,000 to $6,000 this cycle. They even call it easy. Okay, I'm losing my mind here. ETH at $6,000? That's a 150% gain from its current price of about $2,400 per Cointelegraph. This fractal stuff is like finding a treasure map in your grandpa's attic. It's old school charting with new school profits. And the fundamentals? Oh, baby, they're rock solid. The article points out that ETH is outperforming Solana, which had been stealing the spotlight with its memecoin craze. Now that the memecoin frenzy is cooling, capital's flowing back to ETH. Check this out. Ether-focused funds pulled in $321.4 million in a single week, the biggest inflow among all cryptos, according to CoinShares. That's institutions saying, ETH, you're our golden goose. Here's why this matters. The gold fractal gives us a technical roadmap, but the fundamentals, rising institutional demand, cooling memecoin hype, are the fuel. ETH's current range between $1,600 and $4,000 mirrors its 2017 setup, which led to a 1,000% surge. If history rhymes, a breakout above $3,500 could trigger a parabolic run. For beginners, that means ETH could be your ticket to massive gains if you're positioned early. Look, if ETH hits $6,000, I'm throwing an Ethereum party, smart contracts for the guest list, gas fees for the snacks. If you're as bullish on ETH as I am, share this video with your crypto squad. And if you're new to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, hit subscribe. We're dropping gems like this every day. Alright, let's tie these stories together, because SHIB and ETH are telling us something big about the crypto market. Shiba Inu's whale accumulation and burn rate spike scream growing confidence in memecoins with real utility. Ethereum's gold fractal and institutional inflows signal a shift back to blue-chip cryptos. Together, they're painting a picture of a market ready to explode, memecoins for the Degans, ETH for the big money players. For newbies, here's the deal. Shib's low price, $0.000013, makes it a high-risk, high-reward play. A breakout past $0.00000132 could spark a 50 to 100% move in days. ETH, on the other hand, is your steady climber, with a clear path to $5,000 or $6,000 if the fractal plays out. Both assets are riding a wave of accumulation and fundamental strength, but they're at different stages. Shib's consolidating, ETH is gearing up for a breakout. My hot take: load up on both, because this market's about to get spicy. SHIB could hit $0.00002 with a strong breakout. That's a 500% gain from here. ETH at $6,000? That's a 150% return. The crypto market's heating up, and these two are leading the charge. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, now's the time to pay attention. Drop your price predictions for SHIB and ETH in the comments, and let's get this convo going. Hit that like button if you're ready for the bull run, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next big scoop. That's it for today's Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Shiba Inu's whales and burns are setting the stage for a potential breakout, while Ethereum's gold fractal and institutional love point to a $6,000 target. This is why I'm so stoked about crypto right now. It's a gold rush, and we're all prospectors. Want more? Check out my other videos on SHIB, ETH, and the hottest altcoins, links in the description. Subscribe, hit the bell, and join our crypto crew for daily updates that keep you ahead of the game. Until next time, keep chasing the crypto gold.